Yosat started as a nameplates manufacturer that was established in 1998, and our three main focuses include product planning, nameplates manufacturing, and glow-in-the-dark signs. Logos represent the brand image that plays a vital role in giving buyers the very first impression of the brand. Therefore, we provide the best advice to the customers and produce high-quality nameplates to help our customers. Once Yosat receive the draft of the products from the customers, we will offer our catalog as a sample for them. And after knowing more information in terms of the goals and environments of products, we will choose the most appropriate materials and methods to produce the products. Also, customization is placed highly in our values, so we first need to know how customers prefer the product to be presented, and through frequent communication and coordination, so we can give the best suggestions. Yosat has professional production techniques, and the more interaction with different customers, the more details of each product we can put efforts into. With the combination of multiple techniques, we are able to present every product in its unique way. And before we deliver the products to the hands of the customers, we have quality control staff to check on each product strictly. So here are all kinds of different products we produce: poly nameplates, plastic nameplates, PC nameplates, aluminum nameplates, die casting nameplates, electroforming nameplates, electroforming stickers, glow-in-the-dark signs. We also etch and print on various materials such as copper and stainless steel. As you can see, today our professional technicians is operating stamping machine. We usually design a set of molds based on the customer's needs and use this machine to fashion the products. With the advanced technology and traditional techniques, Yosat continues trying different methods and skills during each stage of the process, creating a lot of distinct characters for nameplates. What's more important, we believe we can persist on our principles: quality, service, efficiency, and results, so we can produce the highest quality nameplates for our customers from home and abroad.